Hello friends watching, happy you're part of the fun. In this talk, you have a sequence 2, 14, 98 and we want to find the sixth term. And today I am showing you the two best ways to solve this. First method is the manual way. This method is perfect for short sequences. As you can see, we found that each term is multiplied by 7. This 7 is what we call our common ratio. Since the first term is 2, we can get the second term by multiplying the first term by 7. And the second term is 2 times 7, which equals 14. And the third term is 14 times 7, which equals 98, and the fourth term is 98 times 7, which equals 686, and the fifth term equals 686 times 7, which equals 4802, and the sixth term is 4802 times 7, which equals 33,614, and the seventh term is 33,614 times 7, which equals 235,298. And for our problem, we want to get the sixth term, which equals 33,614, and this is the solution by using the manual method. Let's solve the problem by using the second method, which is called the formula way. We have a geometric sequence and we can use the rule an equals a times r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio and n is the required term. In our problem, the first term a is equal to 2 and the common ratio r is equal to 7 and the required term n is equal to 6. Substituting a, r and n into the equation, we find that a 6 equals 2 times 7 to the power 6 minus 1, which equals 2 times 7 to the power 5, which equals 33,614. And this is the solution by using the formula method. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe and share the video.